Ozzy's pack sat a little bug named Mac. Not one sound. Do not forget, Ozzy said to Mac, his pet. You'll go home if teacher sees. Stay inside and don't move, please. But that speedy bug jumped out onto Foster Fox's snout. Foster whispered, "Catch him quick, or I think I may be sick." Ozzy reached, but Mac hopped over onto Sylvie Squirrel's shoulder. Sylvie said, "Your bug is here, hiding right behind my ear." Mrs. Bunny turned around. "No more noise. Please sit back down. Time to sing our ABCs. Then we'll count our 1, 2, 3s." Ozzy, Foster, Sylvie, too, did not know quite what to do. So they sang out loud and strong. On the floor, Mac danced along. Ozzy tried a tackle, then Mac just bounced away again. Next, he leaped up on the shelf. Mac would not behave himself. Mac turned cartwheels way up high. "This is trouble," Ozzy sighed. Mac flew out across the room. Then there came a great big papers fluttered in the air. Books and pages everywhere. Shrieked teacher, what is that?" Mac is who she pointed at. "This is Mac. He loves to play. He'll be good. Please let him stay." Teacher said, "You know the rule. You may not bring pets to school."
Very good.
A plan was needed. Ozzy knew. Watching Mac, he found a clue. to you. That is something I can't do. Students listen like did they should. Teacher saw Mac could be good. Mrs. Bunny scratched her head, tapped her foot, and then she said, I will change that silly rule. You may all bring pets to school.